I have 8 dust-proofing hacks for you, and at the end I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake that people make when it comes to dust. Number 1, do not immediately make your bed after you wake up in the morning. I know you may have heard otherwise. Why? Because there's moisture in here when you sleep, and then if you just cover up all that warm moisture, guess what happens? Bacteria, dust, growth. Ah, that feels much better. I let that sit for about 30 minutes. By the way, these are my favorite sheets from Amazon. So cute and breathable. Make sure you're washing your sheets once a week or every other week, depending upon your personal situation. Also, don't forget to wash your pillows. I'm gonna link a video in the description box below about how to do that without damaging your pillows. You're gonna feel happier and healthier with these tips and tricks. Make sure that you are cleaning your blinds on a regular basis. I clearly need to do mine. I'm gonna show you a quick trick for doing that. Also notice I have no curtains. Why? Because curtains collect a ton of dust. Have you ever flapped a curtain that somebody has on their wall? It looks like you have gnats flying all over the place. And if you do use curtains, make sure you're washing them. Tongs. 2 rubber bands, and 2 microfiber towels. Now you certainly could use one of these Swiffer dusters, however, it does not work as effectively. Hands down, this is the best way to get both sides of those blinds. Now I do recommend this Amazon tool. Not only is it great for getting between your oven here, but Go-Go Gadget arm, this is great for getting underneath your refrigerator. Let's see what's under my refrigerator. Look at how nasty that is. If you have a ceiling fan, you're definitely gonna want this. It's gonna save you so much time. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below, and again, nothing is sponsored. This fully extends. You can also lock it in place or push that and it fully rotates. Now you certainly could use this on your blinds. However, I believe that the tong method works best, but this is great for getting up high. And here, oh, I think I see a cobweb. And right up here is my favorite. Woo-wee, look at that. When you have the right tools, it makes your job so much easier. Vacuum often, especially your entryway. I'm a weirdo. I do this every single morning as a part of my morning routine. It takes me literally like 3 minutes. And then I do this little trick. Get yourself some Lysol or some rubbing alcohol, and I like to just spray it down. And a couple times per week, I'll spray the bottom of everybody's shoes because this tracks in a lot of bacteria and dust. Not a fan of Lysol? Try this. Odo Ban. It eliminates odors and it has a nice eucalyptus scent. I just got this from the Dollar Tree, in fact. Vacuuming is great, but also make sure that you are mopping. My friend, I just did a video on this. There's currently a giveaway going on. Again, not sponsored. The tin code, this is amazing. It's a vacuum and mop all in one. I do this every single morning. Literally takes me like 5 minutes, if that. And the tank is so dirty. I don't know how that's possible, especially because we do not wear shoes in the house, but all the dust from your home accumulates down on your floor. You can see I just used this morning. It's drying out now. This hands down is my favorite cleaning tool at this point. I will link this video in the description box below. There are a few days left to enter that giveaway. Limit the amount of knickknacks that you have. These babies collect so much dust. Remember the KonMari method. If it doesn't spark joy, it's time for a new home. Look at this here by my TV. I just dusted the other day. Oh my word! Now this does come in handy for quick jobs like this. By the way, I will be doing an Amazon home decor video soon, so make sure that you're subscribed with those notification bells turned on. Nasty, but satisfying all at the same time. Now you know I'm not a fan of carpeting, but sometimes it's necessary. Also, limit the amount of rugs. I have a little hack for you to make sure that you are cleaning your rugs on a regular basis. Again, I want to make it as easy as possible for you. Because who's got that much time to clean all day, every day? Let's clean this one here and see what we can suck up. I just did these 2 rugs. Look at all that dirt, dust, and grime in there. Oh yeah, baby. I made an entire video on this one as well. I can link it in the description box below. I'm appalled with what I'm about to show you with just 3 rugs. Look at all that grime, dust, nasty. I'm appalled. And by the way, I don't even have any pets, my friend. Look at that. I knew that was gonna be bad, but I did not know it was gonna be that bad. Vents, this one's looking really nice. I just made a video using the Bissell Steam Shot. This one could definitely use some love. A little trick here is to take these off and put them in your dishwasher. Survey says, let's just check this vent right here and see what we're working with. Oh my word! This is one of my newest favorite tools. Works great in the car. And one more hack, but let's get this. Your stairs. I just did mine a few days ago, but let's just see what we can collect. Let's just empty this out right in there. Just imagine, we've been breathing that in. Before we move on to the biggest mistake that people make when dusting, make sure that you are investing in the right tools. Not only will it make your job easier and it's more fun, but you owe it to your health. These are gonna go hand in hand, but make sure that you are changing out your air filter at least once a month or per the requirements of your air filter. And second, make sure that you are doing your dusting first and start from the top and work your way down. Kind of like head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Or third, as a bonus tip here, not having any sort of dusting routine at all. All right, if you want to enter the giveaway for this Tinco, my new best friend, other than you, of course, I'll link that video on screen now and in the description box below. Happy dusting, my friend. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.